Hello, my name's William Mask, and I'm the Program Manager for the Aviation Maintenance Department at Everett Community College. Right now, I'm working towards my associate's degree and then eventually my bachelor's degree so that I may become an instructor for the program. At the same time, I'm also a voice actor. I'm involved in local radio theater, and I also audition for commercials, e-learning, audiobooks, etc. In the other spare time that I have, I like to spend it with my wife and my 2 boys, who are 7 and 5. Whether we're riding bicycles, playing baseball in the backyard, exploring the beautiful Pacific Northwest, or watching my wife at a local barrel race. I'm originally from Memphis, Tennessee, so I enjoy taking my family and friends back to enjoy the South's humid heat and delicious barbecue. What I'm about to show you is a repair on a fabric-covered aircraft wing. Back 100 years ago, this is how they covered aircraft. Only they would use actual cotton. The plane the Wright brothers used, the one they used for their first flight, was actually covered in the same cotton material they used to make underwear. Some manufacturers still use fabric to cover their aircraft to this day. The only difference being is the material. I hope you all enjoy. This is my first attempt at a video like this, so thank you, and I'll see you at the end.
Hello and welcome to my explanation video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a skin repair on a Ceconite fabric wing. Today we'll be doing a repair on the underside of the wing. That only requires a patch. It requires no finishing tape. Since this is a Ceconite covered wing, we will be referring to the Ceconite manual. Okay, let's get started. So, first thing we need is some damage. Just going to pick a nice open area here in the wing section. We're going to take our knife. Now, I know all holes aren't always this similar. So, tools we're going to use today. To adhese our new patch, we're going to use the new Super Seam. We're going to use nitrate thinner to remove the nitrate dope on the fabric. We're going to use a ruler and a carpenter square. We're also going to use pinking shears. Again, we have our Ceconite manual. We're going to open to our saved making repairs page. So we have our scrap material here. So let's measure out our repair. We've also got our pencil. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out from the center of our repair 1 inch either side. And for this one, since this one is a little bit longer this way, we got about a 2-inch long hole there. So let's go ahead, we're going to measure 1 inch out from here and 1 inch out on this side. That will be the size of our patch. Okay, now we're going to take our nitrate thinner and we're going to remove the nitrate dope in our square. We always want to make sure we wear gloves. Okay, once you have your area laid out, let's go ahead and get our square patch made out. We've got our patch transferred from the wing to our scratch piece of fabric. Now we're going to take our pinking shears and we're going to cut out our shape for our patch. There. Now we have our unironed patch. Okay, we've got our patch in place. Now let's put down some super seam and get this bad boy on. We're going to take our acid brush, and since we're just doing the one repair, I'm not going to bother getting anything big out. Take our patch. We want to make sure we get all the air bubbles out too. Now, after your glue has dried, we want to get our iron to about 255 degrees. And we're just going to go over it. There you go. That's the sound you want. With that nice taut, like a drum. Shut that off there. And there you have it. The next step following this would be to recover the patch in the nitrate green dope. And then we would cover the entire fabric surface in a silver butyrate dope that helps block the fabric from UV rays. Then we can put any kind of color we would like on top of that. Thank you so much for joining us, and see you next time.
I hope you all found that very informative. This was filmed on location at the Aviation Maintenance Department at Payne Field here in Everett. The wing I used is the same that the students used when they learned to cover an aircraft in fabric. I hope to do more of these in the future. Thank you so much.